fish. Yeah. Pretty good one. Can't complain. They're in here feeding, so. Right off this little shallow, right up on the bank. Thank you, bud. He's just laying up there, probably in maybe a foot of water, if that. Just hanging out, waiting. Hit that thing maybe a couple reel turns, and he just hammered it. We'll take it. Fishing in this wind makes it a little tough, but it's starting to sprinkle on me a little bit, so I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out. Didn't bring my rain jacket or anything, so as cold as it is, I might have to head in before long. Be my luck, get tied up around a tree. That's the way it goes, though. Another good fish, though. They're definitely eating today. This wind has got them fired up, I guess, and a little bit warmer temperature out today, so it's been nice. This weather's been a little bit warmer, so not had to deal with that cold as much. Thank you, bud. There we are. That feels like a better fish. This is a good one. God, stay on there. This one's a tank. Thank you. Now that's a chunk. Come out and again that slobber knocker, that bladed jig right along the edge of this grass, and this guy just came out and killed it. Get a weight on this one. It's probably about 4 pounds. Yep. There. Right at 4. Alright, we're gonna let this big girl go. One more look. Thank you, bud. There we go. Got one on that popper. Just barely came up and took that thing under. I didn't even think that fish was on there. Thank you, bud. Hadn't really threw a popper much this year, but I saw a little bit of fish jumping around the edge of this grass on the way down through here the first time, so coming up and smacking some little bait fish that were on top, so figured I'd come back up through here and give it a shot. Gotta turn and let you guys see this view real quick before I head in. I could come out here and not catch a fish and it would be worth it. Alright, so that'll wrap it up. Got out there and got after them, was able to catch several fish. Lost a couple, but caught some on that bladed jig, some on a popper. It was slow bite, but was able to get a few. They're really starting to get in around these mats now, and hopefully that'll pick up and the frog bite will pick up here real soon. Can start going out and catching them on that frog consistently. They'll move up in those mats once they hollow out a little more, and that bite will get a lot better. So keep looking out, and we'll see what we can do as far as getting out and catching some on that frog. I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you know when something comes out, and y'all have a good one.